Hey foodies, Chef Abyssinia here, and I am back with a recipe video. So today we're going to be making elotes, which is a Mexican style street corn. So for this recipe, you are going to need corn on the cob, cilantro, some butter, and chipotle aioli. I will list everything down below. The full recipe link will be down below. But let's get started. Alright, so grab your corn, clean it, and then place it in a pot of salted water. We're going to get this boiling and cooked. While our corn is cooking, we're going to start and make our chipotle aioli. Of course, you can buy this pre-made at the store, but I mean, it's not really hard to make, and fresh is always better. So grab some chipotles and adobo, and then go ahead and add them to a food processor to blend them up. You can use a food processor, you could use a blender, you can even use a cutting board and a knife. If you don't have a food processor, just squeeze out the adobo and then begin to cut them on your board. Alright, so once you have your chipotles pureed, go ahead and grab another bowl and then add a little bit of your chipotle mixture and then add in some mayonnaise. Go ahead and season that up with salt and pepper and then some fresh lime juice. If you don't have lime, you can use lemon, and if you don't have fresh, you can use the bottled concentrated lemon or lime. I personally do not prefer that because it's not as fresh, but I mean, hey, it'll get the job done. Alright, so once you have everything in your bowl, go ahead and mix everything together. Taste it and adjust the seasoning accordingly. If you want it to be more spicy, go ahead and add more chipotles. Alright, so now that that is all set, we're going to cut up our cilantro. So make sure your cilantro has been washed and dried, and then go ahead and just start to cut it up. Nothing special. Once you have that ready, place it in a bowl and set it to the side. Alright, in that process, the corn should be completely cooked. Go ahead and strain your corn cobs. You can use a colander, also known as a strainer, or you can do what I'm doing here and just pick them out one by one, but make sure you let the excess water run off and then pour any excess water from out of the bowl. Once your corn is prepped and ready to go, go ahead and grab your butter and smear it generously over every piece of corn. Caution, your corn will be hot, so you might want to wait a little bit, but you know what? I'm just going for it. I use Smart Balance butter because it's healthier, but of course, use whatever you have on hand. Once your butter is smeared, go ahead and smear your chipotle aioli generously on every piece of corn as well. This is going to be layers on layers on layers of flavor. Alright, so once that's done, go ahead and grab your cotija cheese and mix in the chopped cilantro. You don't have to add in all of it. Once you have that mixed together, we're going to dip our corn into the cheese mixture. And boom, there you have it. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so good. So good. Alright, so repeat this process with every piece of corn that you have, and then once you're done, sprinkle some paprika on top and serve it with a lime, and it's going to be the best piece of corn you've ever had. It is amazing. I'm telling you, try out this recipe. It's really good, fail proof. Even better if you grill the corn. Oh my gosh, so good. So yeah, guys, there you have it. Quick, easy recipe. Here's some quick behind the scenes of me making this street corn for a dinner party that I did. Yeah, so dinner parties, family gatherings, just late night munchies, like whatever it is. Try this corn. Let me know what you think. Comment below. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.